Hey guys, and welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. So today we're doing LeetCode problem 125, which is valid palindrome. So something is a palindrome if it is the same read forwards as it is read backwards. And just to look at some of the constraints here, we know that our string that is passed in will not be null. And also we will have to remove non-alphanumeric characters when looking if the input is a palindrome. So you can see that with all of the non-alphanumeric characters removed, like the commas, the spaces, colon, this is what we are evaluating to see if it's true or false. All right, so what are we going to do here? First, we will use the two-pointer approach. All right, so in 2 pointers, we will have 2 pointers left and right. The left will be 0 because it starts from index 0, and the right will start from the end of the string. Okay, for the 2 pointers, so if left starts from here and right starts from here, we want to compare if left and right are equal. Okay, so another thing to keep in mind is we don't want the pointers to cross. So while left is less than r, right? So left is never going to cross r and r is never going to cross left. It's just going to meet in the middle. So while that, we need to initialize the characters we will be comparing. How do we do that? We use the char data type. Start is equal to s start character at left, and similarly end is character at right. Okay, so another check that we have to do is making sure that we are comparing only alphanumeric characters. So remove the comparison of non-alphanumeric characters. So if character is letter or digit, so if this is false, meaning that it's not alphanumeric, then we can increment our left pointer and continue on to the next iteration. Similarly, we can do that for the other pointer is letter or digit for end, and this one we have to decrement because it's going from right to left. Okay, and here we're actually going to do our comparison. So if character, also notice here that we have to convert all uppercase letters into lowercase letters, right? So if character to lowercase get our start is not equal to the one at the end, then we know that it is not a palindrome, so we can return false. Okay, so if all these checks pass, like for example, if the 2 pointers are at alphanumeric characters and they are also the same alphanumeric character, then we can go on to the next iteration and just increment or decrement both of our pointers. right? And if these pointers run its course, then we know that the pointers meet in the middle without returning a false statement, and therefore we know it's a palindrome, so we can return true. All right, let's submit. Yep, so that was LeetCode problem 125. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.